Alright folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're installing a blow-off valve adapter from C&L on the 2022 Mustang EcoBoost. Give it that little whoosh sound. We're not going to explain everything that we're doing because there's tons of videos out there doing this already. So we just want to show you how quick and simple this can be. There's three bolts on there. You got to take a hex screw, get them out. Could be a little tight. Just take your time, that way you don't break it. Once you get it broke loose, you can easily get it with your fingers. Alright. Now we got disconnected. I'm going to take both adapter, put it in, gotta line up the hose. There's only one way it can go, folks. Longer bolts. I don't know. Alright, we're just wrapping this up here. 3 bolts, very tight spot. You don't want to put them too tight, but you want them tight enough where they're not going to fall off. This bolt in the back, it's a pain in the butt. You got the hose in the way. Which we could easily remove, but don't really have to. All right, she's on there. No check engine light. All right. Give it a taste of gas. There we go. And that is the blow-off valve adapter.